Hi, my name's Ed. Welcome to Ed Explains English.
I love meetings. It gives me a chance to meet so many people, as well as the opportunity to eat all of the chocolates my assistant puts on the conference table. But enough of my bad habits. Let's look at the vocabulary we can use when we arrange meetings, starting with some questions.
What time would you like to meet? Are you free next Friday morning? When would be convenient for you?
What about next Monday? Is next Wednesday okay? Could you let me know when you have time next week? Here are some positive, negative, or tentative answers we can expect to hear.
I will have time every morning next week. I'm free all day on Thursday. Wednesday at 3 p.m. is perfect.
I'm afraid I can't meet on Monday. I'm busy all day Friday. I'm sorry, but I will be at a trade fair in London that week.
It might be possible. I'll have to check my calendar. If my other meeting is cancelled, then yes. If I can get an early train, then it's possible.
If the proposed day and time is not possible, we can answer with alternatives. I'm afraid next Wednesday is not possible. How about Thursday instead? Would Tuesday at 10 be possible?
Perhaps we could meet up after lunch. Thursday might be difficult. I would prefer Friday if that's all right with you. I can't manage the 16th. What about the following week on the 22nd?
At the end of the conversation, it's a good idea to use a phrase to confirm the agreed time. Okay, that's great. See you next Tuesday. Fine. I look forward to seeing you at your company next Friday at 2 p.m.
So I've added November 12th at 3 p.m. to my calendar. See you then. Great, we can start our meeting at 9 a.m. So that's fixed. See you tomorrow at midday.
Finally, just a quick reminder of the prepositions we use for time.
Our next meeting will be in May. Shall we meet at 3 p.m? Could we meet on Friday?
I am certain these phrases will help you the next time you have to arrange a meeting. Thanks for watching, and cheerio for now.